Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we'll see another chapter. Before going to the another chapter, I wanted to tell you that in the previous video we have covered the what is the image and if the image is present in the same directory and if it is the image present in the different directory, how to display that one, how to add it in the image tag of the source attribute. So we have explained in the previous video. If you haven't gone through it, please go through that in the HTML playlist. Okay, yeah. So now let's see what is the next chapter we have. That is, what is a favicon tag? We have the chapter called what is a favicon tag. So what is the purpose of this favicon tag? So for example, now I want to display the one of the image or a logo in your website. Okay, so you are creating your website and there is no logo of your brand or something like that, and you didn't display that one. So while in the beside of your title, website title. So now this favicon tags helps us to add that logo or any kind of images, so that beside the what a title tag of your title of your website. So this helps us to add it for the small, it will display in the small image. Okay. So what it is telling, the favicon is a small image displayed next to the page title in the browser tab. Okay. So this is the syntax of that. So if I want to add some kind of a favicon, so there is no image tag you have to use. So you have to go with the link because, and it is in the head. We have to add it in the head itself. Okay, so let's go through practical to understand more. Okay, so let me create a new file here, like favicon itself. Okay, so HTML, HTML. Okay, so shift plus one, enter. So if you do this one, so it will give the body, the structure of HTML. And so I want to add the what a favicon. Okay, so where I have to add it is, should you should not add it in the body. Okay, so you should be added in the head. Okay, so in the head tag I have to add the link tag. Okay, so in the link tag, okay, so let me remove this thing. Okay, link, so it will give everything for me. So now I remove the related to. It is related to what? So some kind of icon. So that's the reason I'm adding it as an icon. So it will take it as a kind, consider as an icon. Now another thing is like there is another option is also there. So if you see in the syntax, there is a type also I need to mention regarding what it is. So type attribute equals to image, okay, slash x icon. Okay, I need to mention like here related to icon, but whenever I'm adding the H reference here, that icon, the image or whichever it is that here, like, so if I want to add that one, I need to mention totally it should be a type as a icon. So at that reason, we have to mention it as a type. So I image icon. Okay, so it will consider now it as a icon. Now I'll add the OIP image which is already present in our folder. So OIP dot jpg. Okay, let me run this one. Okay, 1 minute. So let me close the previous whichever it is running. Okay, so now run it. So you can see that you can see the image, small image. Okay, so that is becomes the water favicon. For example, if you go with any kind of cloudinstitution.com, so we also have some kind of logo. So you can see that logo we have added. This is called as a what a favicon. Okay, so the same thing, like, so if I want to add any kind of images as a like logo in your website beside the title, so you can use the what a link tag to add the favicon. Okay, I hope this video is useful and you have understood. So if you have any doubts, you can comment it out. Okay. So if you liked it, please hit on the like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.